With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question that was given to us was find the value of r. If first function is given, that is 12 of PR, that is equals to 1320. We know the formula for permutation, that is NPR, that is equals to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So now we can write it as 12 factorial divided by 12 minus r factorial, 12 factorial divided by 12 minus r factorial, that is equals to 1320. And we know that the value of n factorial, that is this n factorial, is equals to n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, and so on. So we can say that the value of r is here, that should be greater than 0, but it was always equals to or less than equals to 12, because it was only 12 minus something. So 12 minus something is always less than 12, or it can be the 0. So we can say that the range for r is between, that is r is greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 12. So now we will put the values of r from 0 to 12, and by putting values we will check that our answer is 1320 or not. So if we put r is equals to 0, we get 12 factorial divided by, that is 12 minus 0, that is 12 factorial, that is equals to 1, which is not equals to 1320. So r is not equals to 0. So if we put r is equals to 1, we get the value, that is 12 factorial divided by 11 factorial, that is equals to 12 multiplied by 11 factorial divided by 11 factorial. So it will cancel out, we get answer 12. So r is not equals to 1. Similarly, if we put r equal to 2, we get 12 factorial divided by 12 minus 2, that is 10 factorial, that is equals to 12 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 10 factorial divided by, that is 10 factorial. So these two terms cancel out, we get value 132. So we want 1320, so this r value is not equals to 2 also. If we put r equal to 3, we get 12 factorial divided by 9 factorial, that is equals to 12 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 9 factorial divided by 9 factorial. So these two terms cancel out and we get value 12 multiplied by 11 is 132 multiplied by 10, that is equals to 1320. So this is the answer what we want. So the value of r is equals to 3. So we get value of r, that is equals to 3. And the answer of first part is that the value of r is 3. Similarly, in the second part, question is given, that is 5 multiplied by 4 PR. 5 multiplied by 4 PR is equals to 6 multiplied by, that is 5 PR minus 1. 5 PR minus 1. So we can write it as 6 by 5, that is equals to 4 PR divided by 5 PR minus 1. So now we can write it as, now using permutation, we write its formula as 4 factorial divided by 4 minus r factorial. Similarly, this will be the multiply by, that is 5 factorial divided by 5 minus r plus 1 factorial. So now this will be equals to the 6 by 5, that is equals to 4 factorial divided by 4 minus r factorial multiply by, that is 6 minus r factorial divided by 5 factorial. So now if we open these brackets, we get the value, that is 6 by 5, that is equals to 4 factorial, and we can write 4 minus r factorial as 4 minus r multiply by, this is 4 minus factorial multiply by, that is this will be the 6 minus r multiply by 5 minus r multiply by 4 minus r factorial, which is divided by, that is 5 multiplied by 4 factorial. So these two terms cancel out and these two terms cancel out, and this 5 will cancel out with this 5. So we get the value that 6 is equals to 6 minus r multiplied by 5 minus r. So if we open these bracket, we get 6 is equals to, that is 30 minus 11r plus r square. And now we can write it as r square minus 11r, and when this 6 comes here, it will be minus 6, so plus 24 is equals to 0. So now we have to find such two factors. If we multiply those factors, we get the value 24r square, and when we add those factors, we get the value that is minus of 11r. So now we will find the factors of 24, that are 12 and 2, 8 and 3, and 6 and 4. So now if we take 12 plus 2, that is 14, and 12 minus 2 is 10. So we are not getting 11. Similarly, 8 minus 3 is 5, and 8 plus 3 is 11. So we are getting this. 6 plus 4 is 10, and 6 minus 4 is 2. So we are not getting this. So our factors are 8 and 3. And we want that is minus of 11r. So that means the 8 is also negative and 3 is also negative. So we get r square minus 8r minus 3r plus 24 is equals to 0. So now we can write it as, if we take r common, we get r minus 8. And if we take minus 3 common, we get r minus 8 equal to 0. So from here we get two values for r, that is r equal to 3 and r equal to 8. That is, we get two values, that is r is equals to 3 and r is equals to 8. So final answer values are 3 and 8. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.